Nature's touch. Transform your walls with stunning scrap wood decor ideas. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we will show you the collection of nature-inspired stunning scrap wood wall art ideas. There's something deeply grounding about bringing nature indoors, especially when it's done creatively and sustainably. If you're someone who loves warm, textured interiors, or you're on a mission to give your home a unique personality, scrap wood might be the answer you've been searching for. Welcome to the art of upcycling with heart, nature's touch, where you transform ordinary walls into statements of rustic charm using nothing more than reclaimed or leftover wood. Stick around, because these ideas aren't just clever, they are the perfect blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and eco-conscious living. You won't believe what you can build with wood most people would throw away. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about bringing you creative wood furniture ideas, nature-inspired design tips, DIY projects, rustic textures, minimalist shapes, and eco-friendly furniture ideas that tell a story. This is your place for inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. These stunning scrap wood decor ideas are more than just budget-friendly, they tell stories. Every knot, grain, and imperfection becomes a beautiful part of the aesthetic, reminding us of nature's subtle artistry. Whether you're repurposing old pallets, barn wood, or leftover hardwood floor planks, scrap wood offers endless creative potential. Imagine a feature wall made from vertically aligned planks in varied tones of oak, walnut, and pine, creating a dramatic yet organic texture. Or consider a geometric pattern crafted from triangular or herringbone-cut scraps, forming a piece of modern art that merges structure and soul. Even small strips of wood can be arranged into mountain landscapes, trees, or abstract art panels that evoke natural scenes and earthy elegance. This isn't just decor, it's storytelling. Beyond wall panels, you can craft floating wood shelves using raw-edged slabs, adding both utility and rustic charm. Mount a piece of old timber as a wall-mounted coat rack with antique hooks, or create a gallery of wooden hexagons that fit together like a honeycomb, displaying mini planters, candles, or photos. Want something subtle? Use narrow wood strips to create a minimalist grid or frame effect on a plain wall, transforming blank space into a stylish feature. Scrap wood also lends itself beautifully to message boards, where you can stencil inspirational quotes, or attach string and clothespins for hanging mementos. For a more artistic touch, try wood burn designs or combine reclaimed boards with moss, bark, or metal accents for a raw, elemental vibe. And the beauty of working with scrap wood is its sustainability. You're rescuing material that would otherwise be discarded, reducing waste and celebrating nature in its most honest form. No two pieces are the same, so every wall you craft becomes completely unique, infused with organic beauty and personal intention. Whether your style is farmhouse chic, boho modern, or minimalist rustic, there's a scrap wood project to match. Plus, This is a fantastic option for DIY lovers, beginners included. You don't need complicated tools, just a vision, a little patience, and a respect for the imperfections that make wood so magical. You can start small with a single wooden art panel and build up to full-feature walls as your confidence grows. In children's rooms, consider painting scrap pieces in pastel tones and arranging them as playful shapes or forest scenes. In kitchens, a rustic wooden utensil holder mounted to the wall, or a herb drying rack made from a branch and twine adds both function and charm. And for those cozy living rooms, nothing beats the warmth of a textured wood wall paired with soft lighting, where every glance reminds you of the forests, the mountains, and the stories behind each salvaged piece. Your walls don't need store-bought perfection, they need soul, and nothing delivers that better than nature's touch. So the next time you spot a pile of wood scraps in your garage, or see some discarded boards on the curb, think twice before passing them up. With a bit of vision and creativity, you can turn forgotten fragments of wood into breathtaking decor that not only beautifies your space, but also honors the natural world. Let your walls whisper tales of the forest, of weathered time, and of mindful living. Let them reflect who you are, resourceful, artistic, and inspired by the beauty of what others might overlook. This is more than design, it's a quiet revolution in sustainable living. It's your chance to shape your home with intention and authenticity, one scrap at a time. So bring the outdoors in. Let wood warm your walls. And allow nature's quiet magic to become the soul of your space. Thank you for watching. So there you have it. Simple yet striking ways to turn old wood into one-of-a-kind furniture pieces. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative woodworking inspiration. Got a favorite project or your own upcycling tip? Drop it in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and give that old wood a brand new story.